Welcome along to an evening that was made for football. The pitch is in great order too. I'm Guy Mowbray, and it's a pleasure to be joined by Stuart Robson in the commentary box. And with the atmosphere building up nicely, what a match this promises to be. It's Real Madrid versus Arsenal.
The scene is set, two good teams, a great playing surface and a vibrant atmosphere. It has all the ingredients for a really exciting game.
George Best. Well read to gain possession. Hadji. Surely now. Oh, he stands tall and keeps it out brilliantly. Best. Diego Forlan. Jules Koundé. Forlan. And still danger here. Real Madrid have possession again. Forlan. Drifting on and still going. He's beaten his marker here. Guti. Here's Ronaldo. Careless play from Real Madrid. That's been viewed as a foul. A free kick's awarded. Michael Olise. Fernando Hierro. Diego Forlan. What a chance here! Now, surely! And it's there! They have a goal! And they have the lead! The action underway once more, and the onus is on Real to find a response. Forlan. This has to be! Well, they can't go any further here, offside. And that'll do it. The vintage Arsenal, but this is far from over yet. Ruud Gullit. Kimmich. Best. No stopping him yet. And there's the whistle. It's a penalty. It's going to be 3 changes for Real Madrid. To make it 2-0, real chance. But that's awful. That's a really poor kick.
He never looked confident to me. Horrible, horrible miss.
Good pressure high up the pitch. And that's a fine save to deny a proper chance. One for the keeper there. In fact, one for any keeper. Guti. Now Davis. This could level it. And maybe that was purely a misconnection with the ball. Back to Donnarumma now. Jules Koundé. 20 minutes to go. Kimmich. George Best. And we could watch that sort of skill all day. And it's hit the post and gone wide.
Oh, you have to feel for him. That had goal written all over it.
Fernando Hierro. Oh, they've lost it. What happens now? And they've scored again. That puts them further in front. What a position to be in.
Well, here we can see it again. Look at the way he glides past the defender to create space for himself. And when he gets onto it, he decides to go for power. It's a really emphatic finish, which gives the keeper no chance.
George Best. And Guti able to deal with the danger. Ruud Gullit. Kimmich. That was a really good spot.